What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys know, this is the four-door Civic. This car has been down over 2 years now. Time flies. It's been over 2 years since this car has been on the road. About a year ago, I dropped in a K20. You guys can see it in there. And I didn't finish the swap. I completely lost interest. I wasn't interested. And there was just way too many things going on in my life to be doing an engine swap. So I think right now what I got to do is I got to reset. I got to reset myself, and I got to try to start over. Kind of like not completely start over, but get myself motivated again. So I think the best thing to do right now is pull this engine out. I'm just not interested in it. So I need to reset myself. I need to pull this engine out, and I need to drop something else in, something that's gonna be an easy drop, something that's cheap, that I can just do it now and get this car back on the road just so I could drive it, get motivated, and then decide where we go from there. We might build whatever I drop in, maybe NA, maybe turbo, maybe nitrous. I don't know yet where I'm gonna go with all of this, but I'm telling you right now, in order for me to get motivated, I gotta pull this engine out, and I just gotta drop something in here and get this car on the road. So let's just get to it, and let's get it done. Engine's out. K20 is here, and 5-speed transmission is right there. And I have a guy that's on his way to come pick it up. All right, guys, since the last video, the engine is completely gone. I sold it. I went ahead, and I'm actually getting myself a little bit more comfortable in here in this garage. I got myself a toolbox for the Black Friday sale that they had. And I've been like organizing tools and stuff. Just trying to get myself a little bit more stable. I did order a bunch of lights, which I am gonna hang because this lighting is horrible in here. So let's just go ahead and hang these lights and see what this garage looks like afterwards. This is what I got. I got 6 light bars. And we are going to be hanging these right over the Civic to try to get all the lighting that we can around the Civic. So I think one is going to go right here, another one right here, one on the other side. I'm going to put one underneath, or actually on top of my my toolbox, underneath that shelf. And I'm not sure where I'm gonna put the other 2 that are left, but let's just go ahead and set them up. Okay, so I got all the lights installed. I'm gonna go ahead and set you guys down right here, and I'm gonna walk over there and turn on the lights because I have nobody to hold the camera. But I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 light bars. And this is the before, and now this is the after. It's a lot brighter. I'm able to see everything now. You guys see how much light you're able to see everything now. Clear. Very clear. So what I'm trying to do, like I said before, is I'm just trying to get comfortable in this garage. The next thing is the heating. It is getting pretty cold. We did get snow the other day, and now I got to worry about heating. I did order a propane heater. So we are gonna be using that in here, and hopefully that heats up the whole garage. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys on my next video. Peace out. Later.